Welcome, my name is Dallas Baldri. Very excited to bring you a brand new program that we are just introducing throughout the United States, North America, and the entire world. It's a new project called UltraHD, Upgrading Your Life. And what we've always focused on is helping people improve their money or their financial situation, generating an extra stream or full income stream, residual income, helping with time freedom, and of course the knowledge on how to do that. And that's exactly what this platform is going to talk about. And I want to share with you some exciting information on our partnership with a company called Kuvera. Now, Kuvera is a company that understands very few people are adequately prepared for retirement, and the majority of people are barely getting by, spending more than they're saving, going check by check, week by week, with very little in their savings accounts or their retirement funds or any type of investment accounts. And they understand that you need a plan. Now, my background back 8+ years ago was a financial advisor. So I understand this. This is something that I enjoy doing, is helping people build retirement plans. But there were several things lacking. While I had success and helped a lot of people, the things lacking were allowing people to really take control of their own finances without having to pay a financial advisor like myself. People didn't really understand the power of money and allowing their money to make money. And what we weren't able to do as traditional financial advisors is give that power to the person so they could understand how to continue making money, but also allowing their money to make money. And that's exactly what Kuvera has done. Now, what they've put together, their mission is to, one, help find money. So find where there's extra money that you may currently have available to you, but you're missing out on, okay? Growing your money, putting your money to work, having your money make money for you, and then keeping your money, preserve and protecting. And that's what their mission has been. And a fourth component of this, which I'm very excited about, is the ability to also generate an additional stream of income through this Find, Grow, and Keep platform to really put it on turbocharge or really inject that fast track to success. So let's talk a little bit first about Find. They've created a program called Deductr, which is a mobile app. And if a business doesn't have a mobile app at this day and age, then they're probably not going to be too effective. And this is an amazing proprietary app that literally simplifies all your personal finances and accounts in one place on the palm of your hands. You know where your money's going. You see how it's being spent. It breaks it down by category, keeps your spending in check by creating budgets. You see all your debts in one place. And also it has debt reduction tools, an incredible, powerful app that will literally help you find money that you already have that you're missing out just by putting it all together in one place. So that's part of the find, right? Find money that you currently have that maybe you're missing out on. The Grow platform is incredibly important, okay? This is what's going to help you create wealth. And our partner Kuvera brings the expertise of seasoned market experts directly to you. Now, a little bit about Kuvera. Kuvera has actually been around for quite some time. They previously went by the name of Wealth Generators, and for over the last 5 years, they've really focused on financial education and helping people understand the power of money. We've recently partnered with them to help them rebrand with new products, a new corporate team, a new opportunity as a company called Kuvera. And they still have and increase the market experts, and you have access to them without paying crazy fees like you can pay for a financial planner or something of that sort, okay? What they do is they literally take the experts, bring them directly to you through your phone or through your computer, and you have access to them as a customer of Kuvera. They teach people how to grow their money by putting it to work in different financial markets. So they provide technology, financial technology, education resource in Forex, through Rise and FX1, through crypto, cryptocurrency, one of the hottest terms or topics in the world, and a new asset class. It's here to stay through equity markets, stock markets, and then also startups. All right. And if you've ever seen the show Shark Tanks, this is much like Shark Tank, where we have our own experts who vet different startups, and you have the ability to buy shares in those companies for as little as, even $100. They get multiple shares in that company. Imagine putting $100 into an Uber or a Airbnb or an Amazon or any of these big companies. Now, there's no guarantees, but for you to be able to get shares or ownership in a startup that has great potential could be absolutely huge for you. Now, a little bit specifically about the equity program. This is a platform that helps you trade, okay? Trade equities. You don't have to be a stockbroker. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a professional. And they're averaging a 2 to 3% returns, okay? Now, two of our most popular products would be Rise and FX1. Rise is what's called an auto trader, okay? If you're like me and you're not an expert trader, maybe you're very busy, but you do want to capitalize and make money in the markets, you want Rise, okay? Rise is a platform it trades on an algorithm. It can trade multiple times a day, and it's averaging a 3% return on investment per month since March 2017. I mean, think about this. You have money in a savings account or checking account, you're not making any money. That fraction of a percent that they're giving you isn't even outpacing inflation. So really you're losing money. So Rise is getting a 3% return, and you literally put your money in the brokerage account and you just let the auto trader trade, and it's winning. It's winning these trades, and you don't have to worry. You basically let it go on autopilot. You can access your money whenever you want, and that's why Rise is such a popular product. FX1, you have the ability to actually learn trading if you want. Many people around the world want to learn and understand how to trade so they can do it on their own. This is a very thorough, starting from beginner, novice, knowing nothing, all the way to advanced education on the power and how to trade with Forex. There's many live sessions with expert traders where you literally register for these sessions as part of the service, and you're trading with the expert. No better way to learn than by doing. There's also alerts where you receive notifications on what to buy, what to sell, what to trade. And there's people making a substantial amount of money in this, okay? We have many people around the world, young and old, who are getting incredible returns, even starting with a little bit of money, and they're also learning while they're doing this. And you see the win percentage of the win on these trades or these options is over 60% since April 2017. So there's a lot of money being made, and FX1, I'll tell you, globally is probably the most popular product because it provides the education, the alerts, and the live sessions. And then we have our newest category, which is crypto and cryptocurrency. Crypto is something that I've heavily been involved in probably the last 9 months or so. Some of my mentors, business partners, much longer, and made a tremendous amounts of money, upwards of over $100 million US. And so crypto is another asset class. And so there's a great ability to diversify even amongst what you see here, and you add in that startups and really let your money work for you. Now let's talk about crypto, because crypto is definitely hot, and Kuvera's mission is really to improve the financial future of people all over the world. And without worrying about what their background or financial status is, the age, where they're from, and we believe they've put that platform together. And with the education, technology, and the Forex equities, and now digital or cryptocurrency markets, we know that we have an offering for everybody. So what we're going to talk about is a little bit about cryptocurrency and what Kuvera has put together. Now, cryptocurrency, if you don't know, is a form of digital currency. Bitcoin is the number one, or probably the biggest household name. Ethereum is number two. Ripple would be currently number 3. Cryptocurrencies are gaining a lot of traction and popularity, whether they're currently up or down when you're watching this. Overall, they're tremendously up over the last 12 months, last 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So you really don't pay attention, just like the stock market, to the daily ups and downs, unless you're trading, which we actually have a platform for that you're going to see. But cryptocurrency, some of the reasons it's gaining popularity, it's decentralized, so it's less susceptible to interference or manipulation by governments. There's no central authority. It's very difficult to counterfeit. And many people believe that it's the future of money, and it's going to replace a lot of the traditional currencies. So more and more people are investing or purchasing. I just saw in Indonesia, there's now more people who are investing in Bitcoin than in stocks. Okay, $1 billion in transaction, I believe I saw, in Bitcoin alone, just in the country of Indonesia. So what we understand that while most people have heard of it, and most people might be dipping their toe in the water, they truly don't understand it. And I think it's important to understand, especially if you're going to put money or invest in something. So we put together a program called Crypto One. Now, Crypto One is a service that offers live trade sessions within cryptocurrency, similar to FX One, but this is with cryptocurrency. So this is trading Bitcoin for Ethereum, Ethereum for Tether, Ripple for Bitcoin, et cetera, et cetera. So you're able to participate with experts and learn it as well. So we have high technology to get you this information. We have alerts when to buy, when to sell, in-depth education from beginner to advanced, so you can truly understand what blockchain is, what Bitcoin is, what different cryptocurrency, what altcoins, all those terms that you're hearing about, where you can learn as much or as little as you want. If you choose to be an expert, we can help you do that, okay? If you want to just know the basics, we can help you do that. And that's what we have with the crypto program. We also have research. So if you've heard of ICOs or initial coin offering, they can be very high risk because they're a dime a dozen, but if you pick the right one, you can make a tremendous amount of money with just a little bit of an investment. And so we have experts that are on the cutting edge who are in the know in the cryptocurrency market, and you have direct access to those. Okay, so through live research and education sessions covering all these, how to do, how to set up your wallet, how to get on these exchanges, different patterns, occasional ICO offerings like I was talking about, live market analysis sessions where you literally get on with an expert. They break down the current situation of the fast-changing, fast-paced market, which is important, and really the education to understand and capitalize, and of course the alerts that I was talking about. And then we have crypto. Crypto is my favorite product. This is literally based on a strategy that the wealthy use when they capitalize on cryptocurrency, and not a lot of people understand it. It's cryptocurrency mining. Now, cryptocurrencies are digitally mined. They're not produced by government. And the mining of cryptocurrency, in short, is the act of participating in peer-to-peer cryptocurrency network to solve these complex mathematical sequences or problems digitally. And then one of the miners is rewarded a small fee or a transaction fee, okay? So it includes adding, securing, and verifying different transactions on the blockchain and releasing or producing new currency. And if this sounds like a foreign language to you, it did to me as well not too long ago. And that's once again why we have the Crypto One platform to help you educate. But I can tell you and assure you that mining is the most powerful way to capitalize on cryptocurrency. And it's actually, in my opinion, the lowest risk with the highest reward, okay? And there's several different ways to mine. You can set up your own mining operation, which is very expensive. You need to have the hardware, the software, the energy cost, the space to do it, or you just partner with a company that already has it in place, and you basically lease the machines, and they're already set up facilities, and you capitalize and share the amount of coin or cryptocurrency that the mining is doing every single day. And there are other options available, okay? You can go online, you can Google, you can partner with some of these deals, and I've done it in the past, and they make me nervous. They make me nervous, especially when you have no clue where they're at or their office is at. And why I love crypto is because Kuvera is owned by the only USA publicly traded company that is mining cryptocurrency. That company is called InvestView, which has been around for over since 2005. I've been to their headquarters in Salt Lake City. They've been in the same office. They're a legitimate company. And why it's important to be publicly traded is because they are audited by different government regulations. They are transparent, meaning they have to report everything they do. So that tells me it's a much safer option knowing who I'm getting involved in and knowing that there's transparency and being the first and only. And they've invested over $50 million into their operation. And how you can capitalize on what they've done is by participating in mining leases, okay, lease contracts with Kuvera. Now, the crypto mining facilities, they have two of them located in Romania and Iceland. And the reason for that is the cost of energy is best. The government regulations are very friendly to mining. The weather actually plays an important role when it comes to these big mining facilities. Think about thousands upon thousands of big computers operating 24/7 at high speeds. It can get pretty loud and pretty warm. And so it's good to have cooler weather. And these mining contracts are now available for people like you and I. They use the best of the best hardware, and they also have proprietary software that mines different coins that are based on the Ethereum blockchain. And why this is important, in short, is it helps mitigate the risk, okay? So if certain cryptocurrencies aren't producing or they're more expensive to mine, then because our algorithms can switch the coin they mine, we can help minimize that risk, okay? So that is very, very important. And you have the ability to participate in several different options to lease an entire machine. That's the premier option you see here. And these are no guarantees. This is just based on today's value of Ethereum and current performance, okay? This isn't a guarantee, but basically what that mining machine is producing over a 1,200-day period on the contract, okay? And so you can also do 50% of a machine. You can do 20%, you can do 10%, and many people do multiple machines, okay? You can purchase additional contracts at any given time. We have a maximizer program. This is where people are taking multiple machines, so they're purchasing multiple contracts at once, and in different cases they're even allowing their returns to purchase additional mining contracts, so letting their money truly make more money for them. And you can see very higher amounts of Ethereum that is being returned. And if you have an interest in some of those bigger programs, we can definitely help you. But here's how it works. Basically, you execute the contract with the publicly traded company, InvestView, okay? And the contracts are the lifetime of the machine. Now, there's a minimum guarantee of 1,000 days, but in most cases, these machines can last 1,200 days, 1,500 days, even 1,800 days is not uncommon, but a minimum of 1,000 days, but you're going to get it for the lifetime of that machine. And what's going to happen is once you execute this contract, okay, and you can do it on your phone, you can do it online, it takes just a minute, you're going to pay, and you can pay in Bitcoin or wire transfer, the amount of the contract that you choose. And that once that is paid, if it's Bitcoin, it's going to be almost instantly. If it's a wire transfer, it could take a day or 2 business days, depending on your bank. Once it's executed, within 10 business days, you are going to start being paid daily, or on average daily, and you are going to be receiving Ethereum, the Ethereum cryptocurrency, based on what your machine produced, okay? And you're going to receive this for a minimum of 1,000 times or 1,000 days. But like I said, in most cases, it's going to go much longer than that. And that's how simple that is. It's a way to literally own a portion of a money machine, a legal money-making machine in the form of a cryptocurrency mining machine, okay? Now, quick disclaimer, not a registered investment advisor, broker, dealer. We're not making any guarantees. Like in any investments, things can happen, okay? Things definitely can happen. And then finally, Keep. Keep is, once again, we go back to Deductr and some of the features with Deductr. It allows you to capture, document, organize your expenses. If you're in the USA or other countries, you'll save a lot of money on your taxes. And this allows you to help keep more of your money versus losing it or paying it in taxes. Now, if you're interested in any of these services or multiple services, you can get back to the person who invited you here. Now, the person who invited you here more than likely has decided that not only do they want to participate and utilize these services for them and their family, but they also, we've also put together an incredible affiliate program. This affiliate program allows you to also make money sharing. Now, why we use this is because word of mouth is and always has been the most powerful marketing method. And with social media, I can tell you firsthand, that is absolutely true. You can do word of mouth marketing literally from your phone or computer using social media. And we have many systems in play to allow people to do that. But we know that we can go spend a lot of money on advertisements, Super Bowl ads, commercials, but most people don't even pay attention to those more. So we use affiliate marketing and pay people for bringing us business or referrals. So on the crypto mining, for instance, we pay anywhere from 6 to 10% based on the contract or the crypto pack that the person that you refer purchases, which is pretty cool because, hey, if you're making money off of getting returns on Ethereum every day, you probably have people that would want to do the same as well. So by simply sharing this with them, we're going to pay you 6 to 10%, depending on how much you share it. And that's paid every single week. And you can do as much or as little or none if you choose as an affiliate with Ultra and Kuvera, formerly known as wealth generators, okay? Now another way, and this is cool, this is a way for you to get the services for free every single month. We all know 3 people that want to find, grow, keep, make money, right? And so by sharing this, we want to incentivize you to help our business grow, but also by rewarding you by giving you your services for free. So what if I told you that you literally would have access to all the experts in Forex and equities and startups and crypto, and you never had to pay for it, and these services were making you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month? I'm sure you'd be thrilled. And so by referring this with 3 people personally, you get it free every single month, and you never have to worry, all the way up to $199 in subscription, which is our all-in package, which includes all of our services. So definitely something you'd want to take advantage at a very, very minimum, okay? So we have some other cool features. We have what's called our Wealth Club. Our Wealth Club is a residual bonus if you choose to build a team. This pays anywhere from, $500 a month all the way up to there's a gentleman who's in his early 20s making over $65,000 a month. He has different affiliates that he's helping them build teams around the world using social media, using word of mouth. And you have that ability too. And we have systems that we can plug you in. Literally, if you have, an extra 30 minutes to an hour a day, we can help you generate a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars a month through our affiliate program in team building compensation with our residual income. We like to have fun as well. I mean, I don't know who doesn't like to travel. We're rewarding those who are our super affiliates who really go out there the next month and between now and April 15th and help us get the word out on our different products and services to help people. And we're going to send you to Mexico, Puerto Vallarta, Hard Rock, all inclusive, everything paid, 5 nights. And it's actually very simple. So we can show you how to do this. We have a separate video if you're interested in going on this trip with us. And then we have some luxury bonuses. This is a reward for consistent affiliates, those who achieve a certain amount of volume or production or referrals, not just with themselves, but between them and their team members, that if they choose to build a team and their referrals over a 2-month period of time, okay? And those that do that, they're gonna get some extra bonuses. We wanna reward you, and why not do it luxury? And anywhere from an iPad or Apple iWatch all the way up to a luxury car of your choice. So you can see it's not only just fun, it's not only rewarding, but it can be very lucrative for you as well. And another cool feature is if you do 1,300 in volume, and this could be amongst yourself or people you know, and we'll show you what volume really means, but you also, if you do it in 30 days, you're gonna get $250 deposited into your trade account. So that's more money that you can let work for you to create more money. So it's never too late to take the first step on the path that could lead you to a brighter financial future. We know with Ultra, the Ultra organization, with our partnership with Kuvera, that you have this opportunity to do it today. And I would encourage you to take a look, get started today. If you have questions, that's okay. Get them answered. Whoever tagged you or shared this video with you, just let them know, hey, listen, this looks interesting, but I have some questions. They'll get you the answers or get you to someone who has them. That way you can make the best decision for you on which services that you would like to use personally. And maybe even if you decide you want to become an affiliate. There's no obligation to become an affiliate, but why not? If you're already making money with something, I'm sure you're going to want to share it anyways, and why not be compensated? So I'm excited about that. If you're not interested, thank you for taking time to take a look. We'd appreciate any people you know that may be interested. If you hear them talking about crypto or Forex or needing to make extra money, you now know the place. And if you're ready to get started, let's get you plugged in right away. Get back, send a message, send an email, text, Facebook Messenger to the person that tagged you or shared this video, and we can get you started right away. And I want to show you real quick, finally, how simple it is to get started. The person's going to send you a link, okay? They're going to send you a link, and you're going to go to their website, and you're going to see we're currently in the process of rebranding to Kuvera from Wealth Generators. But it's very simple. They give you their link. You go to get started. You're going to select your market. Let's go ahead and select, since I'm in the United States, we'll select the United States. And you see it doesn't matter which country you're in. We can do this in any country. So if you know people in other countries or social media friends in any country and quite a few languages, we can definitely take care of them. So continue. And it's going to bring you to a sign-up page to get your product. And let me just show you what this is. You have Crypto One, which we talked about, is the alerts, the education, that, and you can click on it if you want to have a reminder of what it is. Okay. You have crypto. This is the mining. Okay. All mining contracts have a one-time $99 setup fee. So that is the account provisioning. You have our all-in package, which this is what I would encourage you, because you're going to have access to everything. FX1, the Rise, the Crypto One, the equity, the startups, the Deductr. So I would encourage you to get started on the all-in. If I was you, why not have access to all of it? It includes everything except for the crypto provisioning, but it does include the Crypto One. Or if you just are interested in the Forex, you can do that there. And then, of course, we have our other products down here if you want to do those by themselves. But I would encourage you to, at the very least, do the FX1 or Crypto One, but I highly encourage you to checking out the all-in, at least for the first month. And remember, you refer 3, you're getting yours for free every single month, and there's nothing better than free. So you select what you want. So we'll go ahead and select the all-in. And you see it actually, after that, it goes down in price if you don't have your referrals. If you do, once again, it is free. And if you choose that you want to become an affiliate where you can get paid for referrals, then you can simply upgrade to a distributor for an extra $50 one-time fee, which is nice. If not, that's okay. You just go on, you fill out your information, you set up your account just like you're shopping on Amazon or really anywhere else. You can create your own username, so you have a referral link if you decide you want to refer it and get your services for free, or down the road you want to become a distributor and get paid. How you're going to get pay, and you click these 3 boxes, and you are ready to go. Okay, and you go ahead and submit that, and you'll receive your login, your password, and you'll have instant access to your products. You can download our free app, so you can have everything on your phone, the alerts, everything to set up, and you are ready to start making money. So very simple process. As you can see, I'm excited about it. We've already started helping a lot of people, and I hope that includes you. Once again, Dallas Baldri, appreciate your time. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.